Good morning, YouTube. I just had an everything shower, so I guess we'll get ready together. I'm picking up Cortez from the airport in a couple hours. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go to Banff, I think, tomorrow. So I need to get an oil change this morning, unfortunately. I really don't want to go. I hate getting oil changes. I feel like no matter how many times I say I'm not going to get convinced into, like, paying more for whatever, like, it happens to me every time. So I need to go stand on business because I don't really want to spend that much money today. What else do I have to do? That's like it, really. Maybe like vacuum my car a little bit and grab like a coffee, but that's it. I'm sure we're gonna go out tonight. I'd like to go to my favorite restaurant. I haven't been there in like a year. It's called Salt Lick in Calgary. So good. It's so good. I haven't been in forever. They have like this broccoli appetizer. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just so freaking good. I've also been sleeping so shit lately. I don't know what's going on. The weather's been changing a lot too, I guess. That could be it, but just so hard to get up in the morning. Jinx has been waking me up like extra early. Like he was trying to wake me up this morning, like I don't know, at like 6 a.m. Like it was way too freaking early. And then I just feel groggy and gross. I don't know if I want to wear makeup. I kind of don't want to wear makeup. And then if we go for dinner tonight, then I'll do my makeup then and it'll be fresh. I might just do my little clean girl routine thing and maybe throw on some glasses or something, or not. Maybe if I look pretty-ish, the oil change people would give me a discount. I feel like I've spent all week just like preparing for this weekend. Not that there's like a lot to prepare, but it's like I like when I have guests, like I want to make sure that my house is like clean. Like I'll like clean, stocked, prepared. I don't like to keep things to the last minute. I kind of want to just put these down a little bit. Like that. Like that. Also, I have like a little sniffle going on. It's just like been raining a lot here, and like we really haven't had a ton of nice weather. Like I feel like every time I go outside it'll be warm for like an hour and then excuse me. And then immediately like it's freaking pouring. Sorry, it's so early. I think it's like 8 a.m. right now. I'm so tired. I'm so sore as well. My chest was sore from my workout Wednesday, but yesterday I had personal training and we did leg day. Oh, we did a really heavy leg day. I'm getting so strong. But damn, it was hard to get out of bed this morning and get dressed. This is kind of a lot. I literally told Siri frickin' 3 times to turn off all my alarms, and she just like didn't. There, I just feel like blush gives you a little color, that little color you need. Where did I just put my, there we go. Glue down my brows. I feel so much more like myself now that I have my lashes redone. Oh my gosh, I feel like it just makes all the difference for me. As much as I hate getting them done. It takes so long. I hate how they look when they start falling out, but oh my gosh, when they look how like they're looking right now, I feel like they just like falsies could never. Put these down. And then maybe we'll just do like a little lip combo of some sort. Hello, can you stay down? Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go to Banff tomorrow. I haven't really hung around in Banff ever. Like, I've hung around in Canmore a bit. And I've been to Banff like once with Cam for the hot springs. But and we went for lunch, I guess. But I've never like hung out there for a day or anything. Like, I don't even know what we were gonna do, honestly. But I'm excited. I haven't seen him since our Mexico trip. I'm a little nervous because, like, I say this every time that, like, I feel like, where the heck is my favorite lip color? I'm gonna have to do, like, a brown. I think that's fine. The blush is like eating right now for some reason. Every time I see him, I'm like, oh, this is gonna like make or break our relationship. I keep assuming it's just gonna fail. I don't know. I think I'm the problem. It's kind of becoming more apparent. Okay, we need to find my freaking lip gloss, or my lip combo. It's usually just like in one of my purses. Oh, I found it. Oh, that was quick. Slay. Guys, I don't want to go get a freaking oil change. Ow. I've been really like messing with this lip liner. It's NARS. What one is it? Do Me Baby. It's starting to get a little nubby. Okay. Like this. And it's like actually it's so close to my, it's like my lip color but better. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna have to get more of this. I need to actually like re-up on a lot of my lip liners. I haven't bought a new lip liner in so long. This one's so creamy. Okay, we'll take that. That. And then let's just make, where is my comb? Right here. Okay. Let's just make our middle part very straight. Very crisp. Perhaps like that. Perhaps like this. Yeah, I think this is better. Okay. I think we're gonna just spend the morning together, honestly. So, this is the perfume I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear Lady Million because it smells so freaking good. I want this to be my signature scent always. I love it. It smells so good and it stays. Okay, I'm happy with this. Let's go get an oil change. This is the fit. Comfy. And you know what? We should accessorize a little bit, actually. Let's throw in some hoops and change. I don't want to wear a cross right now. I'm not feeling very religious right now. That was the wrong way to say that. I'm feeling more like a pretty butterfly right now. I'm gonna go to Tim Hortons and get an iced coffee and my little wrap. I can't wait, I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. This is the hardest thing to do with nails, is necklaces. Let's see how many tries it takes. There we go, got it. Okay, necklace, cute little butterfly. Throw in some hoops. Maybe one day I'll retire the hoops and like get some nicer jewelry, but until then, I'm a hoop girl. It just gives exactly what I needed to give. And my little go-yard bag. Okay, see you at the oil change place. Guys, I'm here for my oil change. And you know how they check the oil at the beginning, right when you get there? He said, oh, no oil. Oh my god, really? I'm just a girl, how am I supposed to know? This thing needs oil to drive? Oh, I didn't know that. And oil change is done. $230 later, like. And they said I need to get my transmission fluid, whatever, I don't know, freaking changed or something. Dumb. It's like, I gave you $12 off. Oh my god, thank you so much. Can you just set my car on fire and give me all of it off? I'm home now. I hate getting oil changes. Actually, I hate spending my money on that sort of stuff. I don't like it. $230 for what? You tell me there's no oil in there, but I didn't see that. Anyways, let's yap for a bit. I, drove to the mall after my oil change. Because I was I kind of want to go to Bath & Body Works and get some candles. I'm, running out of Bath & Body Works candles. And then I got there, and my stomach started hurting so bad. I was like, something's not right. I'm gonna, explode right now or something. So I drove home. Now I'm here. My stomach doesn't really hurt right now. It's so ugly out today too. Let's let some air in. It's overcast and rainy, and it's gonna rain today. I'm so nervous to see Cortez. I haven't seen him since June 14th. I flew home, I think. So it's been 2 months. Exactly. I'm nervous because I haven't really been on my best behavior. I've been kind of being bad, mean and flighty. I just have a hard time. I'm just traumatized from past relationships, okay? I don't know how to be in a healthy relationship. I really freaking struggle. I probably just need therapy. It's fine. But I'm not ready to start therapy yet. Because I know when I started, it's going to be really intense. Anyways, it's 10 o'clock. He lands at 12:30. So we have 2.5 hours. My house is clean. I'm gonna go in and straighten my hair. Or not. Maybe we'll just have this coffee and go back to the mall. Because I do want to get candles. And when I spend a lot of money on dumb shit, getting an oil change, I like to get myself a treat after. So maybe we'll go to Sephora or something. I don't want to go to Sephora. I don't feel like going to the mall. I want to have a nap. But I do need those candles. That's what we'll do. Jinx just woke me up so early yesterday, so early today. I feed him in the morning. I feed them in the morning and at dinner time. In the morning, sometimes they get their breakfast between 7 and 9, 6 and 9. But when they run out of food in the middle of the night or whatever, and then they will wake me up early, 6 a.m. So I don't know. All I know is I'm a sleepy girl. Okay, really? I hate that when iPhones I have a mustache right now. When it goes down or whatever, it's so annoying. Do I have time to go have a nap? I don't think I do. I have 2 packages coming from Amazon today. One is a dress. It's a one-shoulder dress, black. One-shoulder black dress. I want to wear it to dinner, probably. And then the other one is a white bodysuit. It's t-shirt, not bodysuit, jumpsuit. It's t-shirt length, short shorts, and I think it's gonna be really short, but I don't know. I kind of been buying myself a lot of treats lately. I probably don't need any more treats. Anything for myself. We could go on my phone, I guess. I don't know. I'll be back. Okay, we're gonna freshen up. So I just put pants on. I was wearing like those shorts, but it's like starting to rain out, so I may as well wear these pants instead. It's a matching set. I think I'm gonna change purses too and straighten my hair. I'm so nervous. I have like an hour and a half or something to kill. So really like an hour. Probably just gonna go. Honestly, I wanna, like, when I get him, it's gonna be like, we'll get home at like probably 1:30 and like go for dinner at like 7 or something. So like maybe we'll go to the mall together. This might turn into an all-day vlog kind of thing. How exciting. But I definitely need to straighten my hair. It was fully dry now. I wanted to get a haircut, but like I'm so attached to my hair. Like as much as I want to switch it up and like kind of go for a new look sort of thing, like I love my hair and I don't want to change it. So, I don't know. Okay. And I was using my Go Yard bag, but I'm gonna switch. I'm going to switch bags. What do I need? There's already junk in here. And I don't really need any of this other junk except for my lip combo. Where the heck is my lip liner? Oh, there it is. I also have a clear gloss in here. Maybe we'll take that. Like that. Okay, I don't know. What are we gonna do, guys? Do we go to the mall? Do we not? Maybe not. Like, maybe we can go to the mall together. Like, why do I need to go? Just because I'm anxious? Probably. Just because I'm a little anxious? Maybe I'll go get gas. I don't even know. Get gas. Vacuum a little bit. I missed like one of the seats in my car, so I kind of want to vacuum that out. I'm wearing these little, they're from Fashion Nova, these little slides. Yee. Hello. Hi. Hey, dude. What's going on? This is my little toothless. Oh, sorry. My little toothless. In the dark, you can literally only see his eyes. Because you're all black. Just like Toothless. You probably can't tell, but I am at the airport. They don't have like a waiting area. They don't let you like park at arrival. So I'm like by the freaking, I'm at the gas station right by the airport. Just waiting. Put my glasses on because my eyes were starting to hurt. They're just like all my glasses that I wear. Like I have a prescription one, but my other ones that I wear are just like blue light because I just stare at my phone so much and I get headaches. But I love these glasses. They're like my favorite. Good morning. It's Saturday morning now. And we're just getting ready because we're gonna go to Banff. I'm so excited. I just did a little something. And he's getting ready, so I'm just gonna be sitting in the passenger seat anyways, so we'll just talk in a bit. Where is he? I left my freaking purse in the bathroom and locked my stuff up and then went back to go find my phone and my purse was gone and it wasn't in my locker and somebody actually returned it to the front desk. Luckily. So pretty. It's usually like steamier in the winter because it's so cold outside and the pool's so hot. But it's so pretty. It was fun though. Did you have a good time though? But did you like it or no? You hate the hot springs?
Nah.
It's nice out now.
Beautiful. So you're not saying you just have the camera on your, you're not saying one bit, nothing.
I'm relaxed. I'm so relaxed. I'm vlogging.
I know, but you're not saying nothing.
I'm admiring myself.
Welcome to Sid World.
Mm-hmm. Welcome. You're gonna get eaten by a bear, maybe.
Today on Sid World, we're going on a nature hike.
Mm-hmm. The nature hike. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on this. You have 2 seconds. I'm not going on a hike. I'm wearing pink. So pretty. We climbed up there and saw it from the bottom part or from the top. You have lots of fresh air. You feel like your air is pure.
Weird. Oh, I'm calling them, it's all stylized.
And bam! Hi! It's Sunday now, and I'm at the beach, well, the river. And Cortez just went to go get a few things from the store, drinks and whatever. I'm having such a nice weekend though, and I feel like it's been flying by so fast. It's hard to keep up like vlogging and stuff, but yesterday we went to Banff for the day, and then last night we went to the casino for a bit, and then came home. I was exhausted, honestly, from the day. And we kind of had a late start today. It's already like 4:30, I want to say, so he leaves tomorrow. I'm so sad, but I'm having such a nice time. And I feel like I needed a nice day. It's been raining so much. Even this weekend, it's been like so ugly out. And today it's like 30 degrees. And it's like 4 o'clock. It's so nice. And there's so many people down at the river and like people are like floating and stuff. It's very nice. I hope you guys are having a good Sunday too. I hope that it's sunny where you are. This is my view. I have my water, I have my all that stuff. And we had to climb down this like sketchy little trail to get down here, but it's so nice.